Problem 72 says for each pair of elements in problem 70, label the element from which it is easier to remove an electron. So going back to 70, let's just copy these pairs right here, and then paste them. So there they are, and let's leave those right there. Now you can see the periodic table right here, and this shows you the atomic radius. Okay, now the key to answering this question is to realize that it's easier to remove electrons from larger atoms. Okay, think about if you have a big atom versus a small atom. Okay, now the nucleus is positive, it's in the middle. Okay, when you got an electron way out there, it's easy to remove, but if an electron is close to the nucleus, it's harder to remove. So this question asks us to find which one it's easier to move the electron from. So basically, well, which one of these is the larger of the two? And that would be the one that it's easier to remove the electron. So find sodium and magnesium on the periodic table. Now the periodic table, the elements get bigger in this corner and they're smaller in that corner. So basically, which of these two is closest to the big corner? That would be the one that it's easier to move the electron from. So you got sodium and magnesium right here. So sodium, magnesium. Magnesium farther away, sodium's closer. It's going to be easier to remove the electron from sodium. So I'm going to underline sodium. Now you got carbon. B is carbon and fluorine. Carbon and fluorine. Carbon is right here. Okay, carbon's right here. Fluorine's right there. You can see the atomic radius of carbon is 77 picometers. Fluorine is 72 picometers. So fluorine, is smaller, carbon's bigger. So carbon's closer to the big corner. It's easier to remove its electron. Okay, then you got neon and krypton. These are two noble gases. That's over here. Neon and krypton. So krypton is closer to the big corner. It's going to be easier to remove its electron. Okay, you don't need to know the atomic radius, but there they are, 70 and 112 picometers. But krypton's closer to the big corner, so we're going to underline that one. It's bigger and it's easier to move the electron. And then finally, argon and bromine. Argon and bromine are right here. These two, argon and bromine, so bromine is closer to the big corner. Easier to remove that guy's electron.